Ainsdale then. What score do you reckon, Div Dad? Between Southport and Ainsdale versus Kirkby Woodpeckers.
2-1 to the Woodpeckers. Oh. He's going to miss the kick-off sitting up there, isn't he?
Why is he sitting on the bench up there? He's just... When I had a joke, I said that I was in fucking speak. He went, you're going to be late. Why is he sitting on a bench eating chicken? 23 minutes past when the game kicks off in 5 minutes.
What?
Ha ha! So the teams are out then. In an interesting game. Southport Ainsdale have only lost about 3 games in about 5 years. Meanwhile, the Woodpeckers get on good form as well. But yeah, there we go. Big cup final, 2 good teams. My score position 3-3. And I don't like predicting the teams to win on penalties, so either team will win. But yeah, should be interesting. Oh, some chicken. How's the chicken? Is it good?
Yeah.
From your favourite chicken place?
My next favourite is that from the yours.
You're not standing up there because you want to respect them because, yeah, there's food on. Kick-off's going to start here. Well, the man from Ainsdale himself will be supporting the Ainsdale opposite.
Yeah.
Put me added close to the game. I mean, I'm not very hard, it's just Sunday League.
Yeah, power strikes from the pitch.
And look, there's actual real linesmen this time, only that. Oh, you're not giving me already. He's a massive liar.
Oh, he's massive.
Why? What's he done?
I'll tell you in a minute off camera.
Oh, I'm gone. Oh. Southport Ainsdale do score.
That was the absolutely hilarious thing about it. Well done.
I thought they could at least turn the scoreboard on that.
Yeah, I wouldn't have thought that.
Oh well, it's only a scoreboard.
Yeah.
We can try and keep count of the score.
He was lying anyway, mate. Right from the fucking start.
Ooh. Well, Pecker's on the front foot here. Ooh, where's the goal?
One.
Oh.
It's the only game that we can get to easily enough, but I want to be back at least an hour.
That's sound. Ooh, good catch.
Yeah, and instead of having 2 drivers in the first ever international match, I get to replace it with
Who's
that thing.
Well, that looks like Jericho Lane. Jericho Lane of a minute.
I don't get my fucking film list.
Meanwhile, he's got all this and he can't go to Denfrey. Gutted for you, though, lads. Gutted for you, mate. Rich.
That his mum and dad don't give a shit about it. Because not many do give a shit about Hudson, though, do they?
That was a good game. You went to Switzerland?
No, Netherlands.
Netherlands drew it, yeah. I'm thinking of someone else. So far then. Can't even see how many minutes. Even on the fucking thing.
About 15 years.
Yeah. 10 minutes left, sorry, well 10 minutes in, not left. Fucking I'll be scared if that was the case.
The derby.
He goes, ooh. These play each other again on Sunday, which I might go because it's a title winning game now, potentially for Ainsdale, which I think.
Where is it?
Ainsdale win.
Nah, I won't because they've told me. I am going to Sunday League, it's totally out of my head, yeah.
And I just go to the Ainsdale one to fucking. And I join we'll be best mates soon again. Oh, is that
yeah.
Ooh.
That Frankfurt game, I have to get home, get to France, watch the football, try and surprise my mum, and be back by 5:30 on the Saturday.
It's Tottenham Bayern. Harry Kane, Mourinho. Tottenham what's the best day? good bit of football, you know. Kirkby Woodpecker have been better at the moment, to be honest with you. So far, so good from the Woodpeckers, really, this. So far, so good. Very attacking as well, which is very good and very brave against a team like Southport Ainsdale. Will close you down, you'll attack, and you'll punish you. So, fair dues to the Woodpeckers for getting up the field. A bit like they were against Kirkby Blues, who got up the field so much then, got unlucky to get beat. Skimmed across the box now. Very attacking now, Woodpecker should be proud. I mean, I see why you shouting for that. She got booted off the ball. I mean, I've seen penalties given for that before.
I saw your the Feds one last night.
His eyes. Ooh. That's offside. Just enough. I think he probably was just a bit. Ooh. Sorry.
You're a shit, mate. So.
Lad, why have you got your shoes
You
off?
put that on the video, I'll put you into the fucking grave, lad.
Lad, why have you got fucking shoes off, though, lad?
No.
Just sitting there at the footy with your shoes off, that's a little bit. Anyway. Not much has happened on this in this game. The team's been better, I think it's been fucking the Woodpeckers to be fair, but... Yeah, ooh. See, Southport Ainsdale always fucking kicking late. But like that time when you were 2-0 down, scored 3 late goals, went over Tommy. Couldn't believe it, they don't.
I remember that video.
No way, you just called Tommy ugly, by the way.
He is, though, isn't he? Right, even I look fucking nice.
Well, it'll be a bit weird if I say he's not ugly just for the fact that he's a lad, you know what I mean? But, yeah.
You're not the pretty fucker, he's the one that you can show.
And you're definitely not.
Oh, I know I'm not.
That would be the penalty, that the goalkeeper just come out and took him out, but the fucking lino had this flag up for ages. Okay, sorry. I am very sorry. What is that? I'm on another one, I can't tell. Yeah, no. Madness anyway.
I think all
You're
them
trying
look
to tell me
really
that
nice.
that looks like the strands in real life. Are you taking the
No,
piss?
they look nice and smart, don't they?
Yeah.
But in real life, they're just basically equivalent to the strand. They all fall to the bottom while they knock it down. And these all just pictures of fucking Miami.
Good save.
Just Florida for you then.
How's like that across America, mate? But,
Yeah, but
I mean, I've seen worse in Wigan, but you know what I mean? Or other places, like, I was just using Wigan as one, but there's many places that I've seen worse than that.
yeah, but you wouldn't want to live in Skem, would you? You wouldn't want to live there.
To be honest, to be honest, I'm not really the biggest fan of living in Beaton.
No, it's beautiful as shit then, as well. I know that.
I know it is, lots of fucking... You know, cleared out it and beat the first man, surprisingly.
Oh no.
Second one's it again. Yeah, Ainsdale definitely picked up the point. Ooh. Yes.
What you on about, you knob?
Who is that on the card to call him?
Don't know. Couldn't decipher.
You've just accused of Tommy, to be fair.
And I did say hooks as well, so.
Well, that is not Tommy's or Hutton's accent.
No, but it's voice.
Yeah, but it's not Tommy, it's not even Hudson. It's not their accent.
Yeah, but the can come fucking mimic your voice, can't they? No one that can drive them. Fucking brain dead shite.
You're gonna cry in a minute, cry in a minute, you're gonna cry in a minute.
It sounds a lot like Kirby, this, doesn't it? Fuck off.
That's not Kirby.
It sounds like Kirby.
Half time, 0-0.
That looks miles nicer than Florida, though, doesn't it?
Yeah, but you're half obsessed with this fucking Florida business. You going on non-stop about this and Sunday. Half time, 0-0, and I mean, there's not been many shots on target. Like,
because I'm trying to find something to keep me.
I think the first half an hour, I think it was controlled very well from the Woodpecker, but Southport Ainsdale have come back into this, and yeah, I think still Woodpecker's got a little bit of an edge, but saying that, like I said, later on in the game, Ainsdale will just come straight back into it again, but it's 0-0 half time. Oh, what's going on here?
Your team's going down with nothing in the bank. Fuck off. Right, fuck off is very often at other games when Rangers play. In my view, tickets should go to consistent.
Your drums are vibrating.
Ooh.
What are you watching the game, lads?
Yeah.
Or do you still think Sunday week will go? Oh, ho, ho.
Never show so brightly.
Oh, je tonen met die boeren salen.
Holes in this house. There's some holes in this house. There's some holes in
He's
this
getting
house.
spam calls.
There's some holes in this house.
I've just said what you chatted, he's just said in English.
Ollie, have you watched a minute of this game?
Yeah, but the thing is, Lund, if your video actually works out later, I can just watch it back anyway.
No, what's going down?
Bootler going down, Bootler going down. You are a pile of shit, Kirby. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. That makes sense.
Still 0-0. The game's a little bit flat, but short pickle.
Kirby, do not gather the point, you pile of shite. Go fuck yourself. That should fucking translate thick after me.
You're driving you insane there.
Alright, yeah. I can do that. I can do that personally. That touches, isn't it?
Oh, it's this stuff.
Hello, Tommy. I'm not speaking Indian, thank you. You're not. Your favourite team to
Very
score.
decent.
You're not here.
It's a good finish.
Wow, what a lead.
And the celebration's good as well. That's what you expect from Ainsdale. I said that before. I said that they'll come across and attack a lot more towards the end of the game. And that's exactly what to do. It's a good header, that one. Very good header. But the Woodpeckers come back a few times on the weekend. Can do similar today. Oh. The Woodpeckers have attacked well all game, but I think Ainsdale will be much stronger in the second half than you were in the first. As you expect.
I was meant
Such a
to
good
go
team.
in, I was meant to be thinking you couldn't put the fucking blind man. And I'll make sure the fucking cameras are up and running for him as well. So he'll just go straight to the police station.
Yeah, Ainsdale have got a bit of the grip on. You know, well, they do look good, but Woodpecker get past well, and that's a foul. Very bad foul as well. It's got to be a yellow, indeed. Is it? That one. So there's not many yellow cards in Sunday League.
Hey, that's a better stadium than most fields in England, isn't it? And that's the bottom of the bottom of the Danish league.
Scored him. The experts that really good. Ball across. Ainsdale are playing alright football as well, that's the thing.
That's properly low down.
The good thing is though, Kirkby are attacking, so, that's what that's for. Even when you're losing, just attack. That's all you can do. You might leave gaps, and Ainsdale will probably punish that later because they've got a good attack. But yeah, just gotta go forward. Ooh. That's a good tackle. To keep it off that, who knows? But yeah, Ainsdale with a cheap corner there.
Can I? He's got blocked, hasn't he? He has no colour ID blocked, hasn't he?
Simple save there from the keeper, but still, I think there's a fair bit of time to go. Be interesting.
Yeah, I'm saying it the whole time.
Stones for a few, save them. Corner then here. Woodpecker was so good at them on the weekend. I think we need to get more of them. Ball down. Ooh. Come on, so Ainsdale then, there's still about 15 minutes to go. Only 1-0, but yeah, surprised. Oh, I see. Kirkby Woodpeckers there as a club. Thought you were doing something else. Ooh, good catch. It's a brilliant ball through as well. Touches with heavy, but that's a fantastic ball. Woodpecker still attacking and still got a few minutes to bag an equaliser, which yeah, I think they'll try, but I can see this game going one way or another. It'll stay 1-0 or 3 ways actually. 1-1, we'll win 2-0, 1-0. I don't know what even means. Another good ball. He's long term, he's quiet.
He's left. Well, he's left, but he's not telling me it's left. He's added the match, so he thinks he's put a cup on other people's ends, but it doesn't.
There's loads of men forwards here for Ainsdale. Good as but see some quality in Ainsdale here. Ooh. It's a great block that. Ouch. Ooh, the keeper's fumbled it. It's a foul anyway, apparently. I mean, I do see why.
I have to get up.
It's a great save. I think that was a rocking penalty. Well, yeah, he didn't get the ball there. I think the fact that he kept on to the ball and fucking shot the ball, which means no penalty, but it's a good save. But did he do the right thing though and keep on the ball?
You see what I said? He's over the bubble, so it makes sense.
Should take up a shot here. And he has this goals in the bottom corner. 2-0. I think it's him again. And Ainsdale go 2-0 up, and that's surely the cup in the hands. Decent finish. And a roll on for Sunday for when Ainsdale win the cup. But Woodpecker have given a good go, fair dues to them, but I think Ainsdale are just showing that they're a bit stronger and yeah, managed to get themselves second goals, so fair dues to Ainsdale for being clinical. Well, I know Ainsdale strong and can attack, but then I know Kirkby can fucking come back, but I don't see it. There's about 10 minutes if that left, and Ainsdale looks strong. He's brilliant in that number 11. He's poor because he's won the corner and he's been running down there, and strong lad, and he's Ainsdale flying.
On Saturday.
On Saturday?
Yeah.
Don't know, mate. Well, you're going to Everton Sheffield United, aren't you?
Yeah, but I'm wondering whether...
I'm going to FC Bootle Vets in the morning in the final. At Bootle's ground. Oh my god, you should come.
I'm tempted, but...
Don't be scared, come on, you should go.
No, it's a veterans team, mate.
Mate, it'll be fun, it's a final.
Yeah, but it's a veterans team, it's about 5 levels worse than this even, mate.
It's a final, that's the only reason why I'd go if I am. When there's any chance we'll come back here, we've got to score now. Very good delivery again, but Ainsdale have got to that very well and got pace.
This is only my second game this week, Lum. There's something wrong.
Touch let him down. Which?
It's only my second game this week, there's something wrong with me. Yeah, it's come summer.
Tracked away from him as well after being third. Yeah, Ainsdale are just so dangerous, and that's what happens when you try and go too far forward, but that's what Kirkby got to do if they want to win the game.
Next year, break your arm for it.
It isn't long left because you don't really have much half time here, so the game's only got like 2 minutes left.
Vets is another level entirely.
Mate, what did he kick?
It's not football.
It's not football, already kick football. So. You ain't real sometimes.
So you call 5-a-side a football match then?
It's a 5-a-side football game, yeah.
But would you count that as a football match on footballers? Would you?
Obviously not, if it's 5-a-side, mate. But yeah, but the Vets...
That's football.
The Vets 11-a-side.
Yeah,
so
but that's
this.
football, mate. It's the same thing.
Yeah, and Sunday League's 11-a-side, so it's football.
Yeah, but you call them 5-a-side football, but you wouldn't count them football, would you? Use your brain, Lum. Use it.
So what you kicked at, lads?
It's football in both of them.
Exactly, so it's football then, end off.
Fucking rugby you are, you mother.
Did I say it was rugby? Vote in the comments. It's 5-a-side and Sunday League football, yes or no? It's a little bit mad. And yeah, someone should win there. That's a game. He's going to where the fuck's that?
Pressing you.
That's a game the big goal's going to. The big OL12. Meanwhile, there's a chance again. Good tackle.
Mate!
So you're not going on Sunday to Southport Ainsdale because you want it for next season, because you want to keep the last minute hands to last for the special moments, did you say?
No, yeah.
So,
Mate,
so
people keep grounds local to them for weather purposes as well. That's why I've not done P&E, mate.
You're scared, love.
No, I'm not. And you never know. I might want to do P&E as my last round.
So you're going to wait till you're about fucking 89 or whatever before you pass away? Or 70, whenever, just...
No, when about 22.
You want to come to P&E till you're 22? Okay.
The next 2 years, mate.
And it's easier to complete the 92 if you go to the more local games first.
See, you don't know my ID, but I'm playing myself.
You've still got your fucking socks off. It's like socks on with shoes off.
I'll take your shoes off in a minute when I fucking deck you.
Mate, you're gonna go nowhere near those. So how old are you when you're gonna complete the fucking Ainsdale ground then?
Next year.
So next year then 22 for Preston. Makes sense. Referee's been quite lenient to be fair, so give him that one. Who are you playing? The Royal Oak. Oh, you going to that one? Ooh. Swash just got the shot off there. Don't know what's happened. Southport and Ainsdale are the winners.
That's the second trophy that they haven't come to work to.
It's a cup this year. Another trophy for the collection.
No, they won last week, didn't they?
Yeah, they've got a big Sunday League trophy collection, Southport and Ainsdale. Good start.
They are the best team in South. Sunday League, or apparently.
Again, it's the second game in a row where Kirkby Woodpecker have played really good, but have got nothing out of it. And I feel for them, but they've reached the final and they need to fucking hold their heads high because that is brilliant. A good achievement from Kirkby, but yeah, Southport and Ainsdale just clinical and that proved that today.
I like that feature.
Southport and Ainsdale, like I said.
Split almost
And then Southport and Ainsdale, yeah. Like I said, they'll kick on late in the game and that's exactly what they did. See ya. Trophy winners. The Ainsdale.
The two group chats and
So,
don't because they don't know whose numbers those are.
no one's numbers on there. That just says Tommy's name.
No one.
The trophy then. And a good achievement for Southport and Ainsdale. And a good achievement to reach the final. Because they still get a medal for it. Fair dues to them from the Woodpecker. But yeah, Southport and Ainsdale come out strong. And too strong for Kirkby. £1,000 a match?
Yeah.
To watch Southport?
Yeah.
No. No offence to Southport, like that's a bit traumatic. Yeah, there we go.
Not a bit. Very well.
Ainsdale's the cup winners. I mean, it's a fucking easy fucking cup name to remember then. For Charity Cup. But for Charity Cup winners 2023 to 24, and it's Ainsdale.
I've just put on footballology is the Southport district.
Southport and Ainsdale and Southport district.
No, it's a league, isn't it?
So yeah, man. Yeah, outside. Mackey's. Mackey's, that does not look like a Mackey's, but they're informed anyway. Here we go, wrap of the day. The biscuit's not there, so we got that. Scram for tonight.